Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it to the video by using this settings bar and just simply tapping here to the right. So here we are. Now let's move to this button from the left. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings with the videos category in the video mode at the first position, and here we have video stabilization option. By using this button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.